let me be on the safe side and get both. If I can open it. Oh my gosh. I saw this on the shelf. I stopped. I was like, let me try it. Welcome back, you guys. We have a little Ulta haul to do. I did a little damage, not too much. I went in there because I actually had a reason to go in there. Dee Dee, if you're watching, you are the reason. So I had, she messaged me on Instagram and she sent a post that Smashbox posted. I don't know if these are new, but I haven't seen them and I haven't been shopping, like I haven't been buying anything from Smashbox in a while, but it's the Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. So when I saw the post, I was intrigued. Like I really wanted to try it out. So I didn't know what color to get, so I felt like trying these two out would be best. So whichever one doesn't work, I can go ahead and take it back. But we are going to test this out in another video, see how it is. It does have SPF 25 in it. So the shades I got were dark and dark neutral. Both shades kind of look like they would work when I squirted it out in the store, but I was like, let me be on the safe side and get both. So we're going to try these out. You know, do like a little tinted moisturizer wear test on those. I also picked up, okay, a couple of these products that I'm pulling out the bag were online purchases, and this is one of them. This is the Donna's Recipe by Tabitha Brown. She has her own hair care line sold at Ulta now. But I wanted to try the conditioner first because I use so much freaking conditioner. This is the Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Moisturizing Conditioner. So there's a shampoo I kind of want to try out. She also has, I think it's like some hair oil. But she has quite a few products that you guys should check out. But I will definitely let y'all know what it's like. Let's open it up. Y'all know how I do. I like to open stuff and smell it and see what it, you know, see what it's giving. Let's, I don't really smell anything. Okay. There's a really faint cocoa buttery type of scent. Sweet potato pie, I don't get that from this. Hold on. I don't know. I'm not really, I mean, does it supposed to smell like that? Oh, here it is. Made with real sweet potatoes, stirred with vanilla. That's what I'm smelling, the vanilla. And sprinkled with warm cinnamon. Okay, I think I'm getting that too. The cinnamon. I don't know. If y'all have this, are you picking up the sweet potato? Because I'm not. I'm definitely picking up like the vanilla, a little bit of the cinnamon, but not the sweet potato. But it smells really good. Definitely smells really, really good. So I will update you guys on this hair product later on. Speaking of hair products, I also picked up another one of these Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I'm almost out of the one that I have, which is like a really small one. And like I said, I use a ton of conditioner, so I have really been enjoying this, so I had to get me another one of those. Ooh, okay, we're still on hair products. I got this Bristle brush from TGIN, and y'all look at it. I was in the store trying to open it up, and I accidentally ripped the top. I was vlogging, by the way, so you guys will see that vlog later. So if y'all see me do like a weird facial expression in the vlog, then you know why. But this is the brush right here. Ooh. Right there, nice little brush. I definitely needed another one of these, and I like how it's not too prickly, like it's not too stiff. So it's gonna be really good to have that. I also wanted to try out this Love Wellness pH Balancing Cleanser. So this is a cleanser I always see in Target. Every time I go stock up on my feminine products, I always see this cleanser, but I just don't get it I don't know why, but I have been seeing it a lot recently on social media. So I just want to kind of give it a try, see if I like it, and of course let you guys know if it's good or not. The one that I always use is called the Down There Wash, which is also from Target. So, and this is actually right beside the Down There Wash, which comes in like a pink pump, not a pink pump, but a pink bottle. So yeah, let me know if you've already tried this out. What are your thoughts? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Talk about it down below in the comments. Did y'all know MAC has new skincare? I was walking by MAC. I saw this on the shelf. I stopped. I was like, let me try it. Let me see what it's like. So this is the Hyper Real Serumizer. So it's like a serum and a moisturizer in one. I wanted to get the smaller one because I didn't know if I would, if I'd like it. But the few pumps that I tried, because I pumped a few pumps on my hand, rubbed it in, y'all. I can't wait to put this on the face so y'all can see. But this has like a light pink pearlescent glow, but it's not overly shine. Like, I don't know. It's something in this stuff that looks so pretty on the skin, and it smells really good. So this is what the little bottle looks like. I'm gonna pump it. Let me just do that. Let me just show y'all what it looks like. So when you pump it out, rub it in, it's just a really faint pink glow to the skin. But I mean, your skin is not going to look pink, but you can see it when you pump it out. And then, yeah, you guys are just going to really see the glow. You're not going to really see yeah, it's just going to be really glowy. But oh my gosh, it smells so freaking good. Very fresh. But there it is, nice and glowy. And yeah, they had a moisturizer sitting right beside it, but they were sold out. They just had the tester. But I did test it out. And I like that too, but see, it was a sign. That was a sign telling me I didn't need it because it was already sold out. It must be really good since it's sold out, but they had a lot of these. They had the full size and then this one right here, but I am here for this. It says a skin balancing hydration serum. Let me see. This formula empowered by Japanese peony extract, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides. Ooh, that's why I'm loving this. Reinforces skin's moisture barrier and balances skin with an immediate all-day hydration. I'm excited, very excited for this. So if you have already tried out the moisturizer or this serumizer, what are your thoughts? Because I want to know. Well, we all want to know. But you guys are going to see this in another video where I do a full 1 hour get ready with me. You guys love those. I love filming them. So you will definitely see this in one of those videos. Okay, going into the makeup, you guys. I don't have a lot of makeup though. Didn't do too bad, but I was very surprised that I came across the new Urban Decay Quickie Concealer. I know this just came out and I wasn't expecting to find it in store. But yeah, it's the Stay Naked Quickie up to 24-hour wear multi-use concealer. So I'm wondering if this is gonna be anything like the multi-use concealer from Too Faced. Y'all remember that one? So, oh, the shade I got was 70N in dark. Don't know if this will be like, perfect, but I did try it out in the store. And, well, I didn't put it on the face. I just put it on my hand. And I felt like the color, it looked like it'll be a good shade. Because honestly, I forgot what shade I'm in the Urban Decay, Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer. The smaller one. I forgot what shade I'm in. I want to say I'm in 70N. But, yeah, this is what it looks like. It has like a little bitty purple brush right there. Which I don't think I'm going to use this. I never really used the little brushes that come on products like this, simply because I don't like how it blends out the product. I had hair on me this whole time, like all right there, but we'll see. And it has a, oh my gosh, my hands are slippery from that serum. It has a large doe foot applicator. If I can open it. Oh my gosh. There we go. There we go. See how big that is? Nice size. So yeah, we're gonna, it smells weird. I don't know, y'all, but we're still gonna try it out. We're gonna try it out in another video. And then I picked up, oh, I had to re-up on my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Y'all know this is my holy grail concealer. I use this more than any other concealer, y'all. It's in the shade Deep Chestnut. I had to get another one of those. And y'all, so I saw this. This is another one of the products that I got online. This is the NARS The Multiple. So they came out with a new multiple stick, and this is in the shade Orgasm Rush. So this is supposed to be deeper than the original Orgasm shade. And look at this, y'all. I already opened it, y'all already know, but look at the color. Yes, brown skin, dark skin friendly. So this will be another product that we're gonna try out. I mean, has this already, like, I think this is a new shade. Even the packaging is different, because y'all know the other ones, they're all black with the NARS writing on it, but this is pink, and it's just so cute. So there's another, they have other products in this collection. They had like an eyeshadow palette, a face palette, but I knew if I got the eyeshadow palette, I probably would have used like 1 or 2 shades out of it. So I was like, let me just get something that I don't own, because I've never purchased the multiple stick. And now that I see that they have a color that looks like it'll work for me, I went ahead and jumped on this. So I got that. And then the very last thing I got, you know how you're like standing in the checkout line and it takes forever for you to get to the counter. So you're looking at all the little minis. I saw this. This is the ULTA Beauty Under Eye Brightener in the shade Medium Deep. So let's open it. Let's open it, because they didn't even have a sample of this. But I said, maybe I can work with Medium Deep. And it's an eye brightener, so hopefully it, you know, it works for me. I'm trying to open it. Ulta has a concealer. I didn't even see that while I was in there. I wonder if they discontinued it. But there's a concealer from Ulta, if you can find it, and it's on the in the section where, you know, the checkout line is. It looks just like it kind of looks like the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, like the packaging kind of looks like this, but it's a little bit smaller. Hands down, one of the best affordable full coverage concealers that you can get in Ulta. So if they still have it, they didn't have it when I was in there. Like I said, I don't know if they discontinued it, but if you can find it in Ulta, get it. They don't have a lot of good shades though, but I use it for highlighting under my eyes. Okay, why can't I open this one either? Oh, come on. Oh. Oh. I thought this was going to be like, I thought it was going to have like a little doe-foot applicator, but it's like a lipstick. And the shade looks like it will work. Can y'all see that? Okay. Okay. So I'm not going to use this when I'm using the Urban Decay. So this is going to have to come in an, okay. Eye brighteners, I like using these when I'm going for a very minimal makeup look. So I'm definitely going to do a updated, I guess, no makeup look for you guys, because I haven't done one for the year, and we'll probably feature that in that video. But that is all, y'all. That is all that I got from Ulta Beauty. Let me know if you guys tried any of these products that I shared. What are your thoughts? Do you like it? Do you not like it? And stay tuned, because we are going to be trying everything out, especially like the makeup, hair products. I definitely want to incorporate I don't want to say like incorporate hair videos, because this is not a hair channel, and you guys know I'm not good with hair, but I definitely want to start paying more attention to my natural hair. You guys know that I wear wigs. That's because they're so convenient. I can just throw them on and go. But as far as like my natural hair, I want to just make sure that I'm taking better care of it and just finding products that work for me. Even though I have found products that work, but I'm definitely open to trying out other products and seeing how they work for the hair or how they work for my hair. So we are definitely going to be trying out different hair care products and we're talking more about hair care products or just my hair in general on the channel this year. So anyway, girl, that is all that I have for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out while I shared my Ulta Beauty haul. If you enjoyed, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next one.